Hello students, welcome to the next lecture of meiosis cell division. We are discussing about the meiosis 1 and we have completed the prophase 1 of the meiosis 1. The prophase 1 which has the 5 subphases, that is lactotein, zygotein, pectine, diplotein and diakinesis. Now the second phase of the meiosis 1, that is metaphase 1. So here it is the metaphase 1. This is the cell. Nuclear membrane disappeared. The formation of spindle fibers has taken place during the prophase stage. So these are the centromeres, astral rays, and formation of spindle fibers has taken place. This is the continuous fiber. Two types of fibers are formed. We have known it earlier. That is continuous fibers and the second one is discontinuous fibers. Discontinuous fibers are formed between tying the chromosomes. Here, in case of metaphase 1, the chromosomes start arranging at the equatorial plate. So here is the chromosomes. The first pair of homologous chromosome, that is, this is the first pair of homologous chromosomes. Second one I am drawing with a different color. After crossing over, the chromosomes has separated and here is the crossover part of the chromosome. This is the crossover part. This is the crossover part of the chromosome. Again, here one chromosome is also there. One pair of homologous chromosome is this. And this is the another chromosome which has separated and has the crossover part. Clear? So these chromosomes arranged at the equatorial plate. These are the chromosomal fibers or discontinuous fibers. Chromosomal fibers or discontinuous fibers. Okay, so these are the two types of fibers which are formed from the from the centriole. Now, what is the change which has taken place during the metaphase 1 stage? That is, the homologous pair of chromosomes align on equatorial plate. So this is the metaphase 1 stage, and in this metaphase 1, the homologous chromosomes align at the equatorial plate. Clear? So this is all about the prophase 1. The next phase of metaphase 1 is anaphase 1. There is the two phases of anaphase, early anaphase and the late anaphase, and as we know that in case of anaphase stage, the chromosome starts moving towards the opposite poles. So here I am drawing the early anaphase stage. This is early anaphase. Early anaphase 1. This is the spindle apparatus or centriole. Astral rays are there, and this is the continuous fibers and the discontinuous fiber. Clear? Now the chromosomes are moves towards the opposite pole. So this is the one set of chromosome, and here is the another set of chromosome which starts moving This is the another set of chromosome. This is the crossover arm, and here is the crossover arm. Clear? So these chromosomes are start moving towards the opposite poles. ठीक है, जैसा कि हमने माइटोसिस के एनाफेज में देखा था, माइटोसिस के एनाफेज में क्या होता है, जब क्रोमोसोम्स आपस में अपोजिट पोल्स पे मूव करते हैं तो यहाँ पे जो सेंट्रोमियर पार्ट है, इस सेंट्रोमियर पार्ट से वो ब्रेक डाउन होते हैं. ठीक है, यहाँ पे इस तरह से दिस इज द सेंट्रोमियर and this is the chromosome, and during anaphase of mitosis the chromosome is separated from here, so the centromere is also going to separate and half of the chromosome move towards the this pole and half move towards this pole. So this looks like this is the separated chromosome. Here the spindle fiber is there. Here one more fiber is formed that is called as interzonal fiber. But this interzonal fiber form only at the time of anaphase in mitosis cell division. Here in case of meiosis there is no interzonal fiber formation. So here is no interzonal fiber because only the chromosomes are going to separate it. Centromere is not separating. Clear? So this is the difference between anaphase of mitosis and meiosis. Here the chromosomes are going to separate and each chromosome is having double number of DNA, but the centromere is not separating. That's why we are saying that in case of meiosis cell division the chromosome numbers reduces. Clear? So here the chromosome is going to separate, but centromere does not separate it. Clear? So what are the changes which takes place during the anaphase stage? This is anaphase 1. And what are the changes which takes place during anaphase 1? The chromosome pair separate, but the splitting of centromere is not there. Clear? So chromosome pair separates. Both of the homologous pair of chromosome get separated. So the chromosome pair separate, but splitting of centromere is not there. Centromere is not there. Clear? So interzonal fiber does not take place. Formation of interzonal fiber is not taking place. So here I am writing the next change. Formation of interzonal fiber is not takes place. Clear? So it is the important change which takes place during the anaphase 1, early anaphase, and in late anaphase the chromosomes are moved at the opposite poles. So I am drawing the next diagram in which only the one difference is there, that is the chromosomes are moved at the poles. Clear? So here is the next diagram of this, and the chromosomes are reached. The chromosomes are reached here. This is the one set of chromosome, and here is the another one. The red one is there. Clear? यहाँ नीचे की साइड जो chromosomes है denoted by the red color. So these are the red colored chromosomes. This is the crossover part. Clear? And these are moves at the opposite pole. And here is the next set of chromosome. This is the next set of chromosome. So these chromosomes reaches up to the poles. Here, this is the late anaphase stage. This is late anaphase 1. And after that, the last stage, that is called as telophase 1. So, during telophase, what are the changes taken place? We know that telophase is the reverse of anaphase. So here the telophase is the reverse of prophase. Here the prophase has completed in 5 subphases: leptotene, zygotene, pectine, diplotene and dikinesis. So the changes which takes place during dikinesis, that are the changes which has completed in the prophase 1 stage. Here in telophase 1, the opposite changes of the dikinesis is going to take place. So here is the cell. In prophase, dikinesis of prophase 1, nuclear membrane starts disappearing, ER membrane, Golgi membrane, etc. starts disappearing. But in case of telophase 1, these membranes reappears. So here the reappearance of the nuclear membrane. So this is the nuclear membrane. 2 nuclear membranes are there. Now the chromosomes decondensed and they looks like these threads. They decondensed and looks like the threads having double DNA. So these are the double DNA. Single chromosome having double DNA. Here is also the single chromosome having double DNA. Looks clear? So these are the separated chromosomes. Now this is the reverse of anaphase stage. So here the spindle fibers are also disappears. So what are the changes? Nuclear membrane reappears. Nuclear membrane reappears. Spindles also disappear. And chromosomes decondense. Chromosomes decondensed. One more thing, at the beginning of telophase 1, the process of cytokinesis also going to be started. At the end of anaphase or at the beginning of telophase, the cytokinesis begins. So here the process of cytokinesis begins. These are the changes which takes place in the cell during the meiosis 1 cell division. Here the nucleus has divided. Now the division of cytokinesis is going to take place. Here the process of meiosis 1 has completed. Now the karyokinesis has been completed. The process of karyokinesis means division of nucleus. Nucleus has divided into 2. This karyokinesis is divided into 5 phases, that is prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1, 4 phases, and 5th one is the cytokinesis. Next one is the prophase 1 is the longest phase, which has 5 subphases: leptotene, zygotene, pectine, diplotene and dikinesis. Clear? Here the karyokinesis gets completed. After that the process of cytokinesis, and about the cytokinesis we will discuss in our next lecture. Clear? So तब तक आप इसको completely watch करते रहिए. Thank you very much.